Imperfections can be a source of distress, especially when it comes to our nails. ProNail Complex vows to change this narrative. A potent mist spray, it's designed to nurture healthy toenails. The formula, a harmonious blend of potent oils and restorative vitamins, is released as microparticles to penetrate the deepest layers of your skin and nails. A simple application can lead to healthier, shinier nails and feet. Imagine a treatment that revitalizes, strengthens, and addresses nail concerns. One that promotes nail growth, improves keratin production, and transforms infected nails into smooth, beautiful ones. ProNail Complex offers all this and more. The secret? A cocktail of nature's finest. Mineral oil hydrates and nourishes, sweet almond oil strengthens, organic flaxseed oil reduces inflammation, tea tree oil prevents fungus, and aloe vera repairs damage. To use, spray twice daily after cleansing your feet and nails. Hold the bottle 6 to 8 inches away and let it dry completely. Consistency is key for optimal results. Ready to embrace the power of ProNail Complex? Follow the link to get yours now and step into a future of nourished nails.